Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video, we are unboxing the Dior Ecrin Couture multi-face makeup palette, which I have it here. It smells really good because I remember when we are buying this in the shop, the sales lady just sprayed the Dior scent on the paper, and the scent, it's still here. Would you believe that? And we purchased this last December. This is actually a present for me last Christmas. I already, of course, see what's inside, but I never really had a chance to use it. So now I am catching up, so I'm gonna give you the uh, view of this set, and also we're going to do some swatches. Look at the packaging. The paper bag looks really nice. The pattern is just so cool. It's very enchanting. Anyways, this is part of the holiday collection last year. I believe they launched them around October. But before we're gonna get carried away about this stuff, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary. I do travel, fashion, and lifestyle vlog. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Also, if you have an Instagram, do connect with me. My Instagram is here. Just pop me a message and I will reply, or I will follow you back. So thank you guys for supporting my small channel. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, let's do this. Now, comes with the bags. Dior has created a makeup palette housed in a couture case featuring the house of Dior's makeup essentials for the face, eyes, and lips. Can I open it? So it comes with a velvet Christian Dior pouch. What we have here is, oh, there is a blush brush. I'm gonna go through later on with these. So I just can't wait to see this. Oh wow. And so now let's take a look what's inside here. There is an illuminating powder, 5 eyeshadows, and 2 blushes, and 4 lipsticks. And it also comes with a double-ended applicator for eye makeup and one. The eyeshadow palette that comes with this set is the 469 Atelier eyeshadow makeup palette, also designed to create multiple looks. I probably go through the soft and intense look with this. So now we are going to do some swatches of these. Okay, we'll start with the illuminating powder. Illuminating powder, it's not so shiny. It just had a little bit of shimmer in it. And we're gonna swatches as well, the eyeshadow. And this is the swatches of the eyeshadow palette. I've noticed that the lighter shade, it's more on a satin finish, and the darker shade, it's more a matte finish. I am quite disappointed with the blush. It's not super pigmented, but the lipstick shades are okay. Here it is. So now that we are done doing the swatches, let's talk about the case or the clutch. I really love them. So I'm just gonna remove the makeup because this is multi-use. So if you don't want to put the makeup and you wanted to go to the party, you can use the clutch, and it has the mirror in it. Okay, now the glass itself, it's very well made. It looks so sophisticated with the gold hardware and the Christian Dior initials in the middle. So getting from this makeup set, I think it's worth a lot more. Just to give you an idea of the retail value of the Christian Dior cosmetics, the lipstick retail value is between 30 to 35 euros, and the eyeshadow is between 40 to 45 or 50, I think. euros, and the blush is around 40 euros as well. And what else that I have it in here? The illuminating powder, it's around 40 euros. I think it depends as well with the place where you are buying them. I find it is actually a lot cheaper compared to the drugstore and big retail shops out there. So that's just a little bit of tip if you wanted to save a little, or you know, if you have enough time in the airport, you can lurk around the Christian Dior shops. They have loads of promos as well. It's one thing that I've noticed when I do an airport shopping. And that's it. So now I really love this set, especially if you will be traveling. You know, you have everything what you need in these bags. I love Christian Dior, who doesn't? I'm going to create a look using the Christian Dior makeup set that I have. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and show some love by subscribing my channel. Bye! Have a lovely evening.